Welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited to be partnering with Cook Tour to show you how to make authentic Thai food in your own kitchen. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Witwon Geetsavatana, but you can call me Som. I was born and raised in Bangkok, and my family love food. Most Thai people love to eat. If they eat lunch, they will think about what to have for dinner. But what's unique about my family is my mother. She is a great cook. She makes delicious meals every day. So at one point in my family, there are 16 people, so we have to eat in shifts. I remember fondly, maybe I was 2 to 3 years old, my mother will carve radish and melon into flowers and leaves for me to eat. It's not that she had to convince me to eat because I always love to eat, but to me, that's love. I would play with food, so I would go collect leaves and twigs and find an old wok, big wok, and I would stir fry it and serve it to my customers who are my siblings. As I grow older, I would make my own food, like in middle school. During school break, I would make garlic pork. And when I'm in high school or in college, I would go to the market myself and buy all the grocery and make myself green curry. And really in Thailand, I don't need to cook because we have help in house. My mom cook, and you can also go outside to eat. But it's just, to me, it's play. When did I start cooking seriously? Is when I moved to United States for grad school. At that time, about 30 years ago, there's only one restaurant, Thai restaurant in Ann Arbor. And it's not very convenient, and it's really not possible for grad students to eat out every day. So I have to start cooking seriously to feed myself. I had to go to Detroit to get all ingredients and invite my friends over, and I have party. And at one point, there was a Thai night at University of Michigan, and I cooked for 3 days to feed 200 people. I started entertaining since I was in grad school and have a lot of people over, and that's how I met my husband. So learning how to cook is a good thing, or else get a puppy. After graduating, I got a teaching job at university, and now I have 27 years of experience teaching. I had a full-time job, but I have never stopped cooking. I would offer cooking class, or I would do some catering, and I have people over almost every week. I entertain all the time, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you how to make authentic Thai food, the way I make it for myself, my friends, and family.